Hi Rods Group. We are going to use number lines. We're going to get really, really good at number lines to do even simple things. But the first question I've got up here to show you is actually really simple, and we probably wouldn't need a number line for it, but I thought I'd use a number line just to show you that number lines work. They're very, very simple. So the question I've got is 58 take away or minus 3, subtract 3. 58 is the number we're going to start with. And I already know that I've got 8 ones here, and I want to take 3 of them away. And I know that I can do that because if I've got 8, here's 8, then actually taking 3 away is really simple, and I know that I've got 5 left. I also know my number bonds, and I know that 3 and 5 make 8, or 5 and 3 make 8, the other way around. So I think that my number might involve the number 5. So let's have a think. 58 on my number line, I'm going to start on the right hand side and work backwards because of course I'm taking away, so my number will get smaller. 58 take away 3. I'm going to do some counting on, even though I don't need to, because I'm fairly certain I know what my answer is already. Do you? 58 in my head, take away 3. So 58, 57, 56, 55. That's that 5, isn't it? 55. Do you remember we said that 3 and 5 would make the 8? So we've got 5 ones left. So my answer there would be 55. Now, I did a lot of work there, not for very much. But this next one is a little bit trickier. And the reason it's trickier is because I've got my 58 again, but I'm actually taking away 9 ones. And I haven't got 9 ones. I've only got 8 ones. We've already said that. So I've got 8 and I need to take away 9. But I know I can do it because I've got 58, which means that there must be 9 in there somewhere. So we're going to have to exchange. But on the number line, we don't need to worry about that too much, because what we're going to do is we're going to take it away in 2 little leaps, 2 little jumps. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to help myself by going to the 10 number. You remember we talked about how good 10 numbers are and how helpful they are. And the 10 number, if I'm working backwards from 58, the next one that's going to be there will be 50. Let's see if I can get that on there for you. So there we go. There's our jump. So that, if I go that way, is a jump of 8, isn't it? Because from 58 to get to 50, I take away 8. Brilliant. But I had 9 to start with. So I still haven't taken away 9. But I think the next bit's going to be a bit easier. So let's go back to that 9 and let's have a think about it. So 9, I know, is made up of an 8 and a 1. So if I've already taken away 8, the next thing I need to do, jumping back, is take away the 1. Because then together, I will have taken away 9 altogether. Oh, and look, I told you that 10 number was going to come in useful. 50 take away 1 leaves me with 49. Don't forget to put your answer up here, otherwise we won't know which bit your answer is. So 58 take away 9 is 49. Here we've got minus 8 and minus 1, which together makes minus 9. Let's do one more before you go away and have a go. 72 take away 5 equals something. So I've got my number line here. Don't forget you're going to use a ruler. I haven't got a ruler that works on my whiteboard, unfortunately. It just makes a mess. So you're going to use a ruler, and we start over here with the number 72. I've got 2 ones. So taking away 5 ones means that I'm actually going to go backwards a little bit further than my brain likes me to do. And I'm going to go past that 10 number. So if I go to the nearest 10 number, if I'm going backwards, then I'm going to go to 70, aren't I? And what I did then to go from 72 to 70 was I took away 2. But I'm actually meant to be taking away 5. So let's have a think about that. If I took away 2, the other number that I'll need is a 3, isn't it? I'll need to take away 3. So my next jump is going to be take away 3. Oh, here we go again. We've got that lovely easy 10 number. I know my numbers to make 10 numbers. So if I'm taking away 3 from a 10 number, there must be 7 left. But it won't be 7 tens, it will be 67, I think. Now I can always check that by counting. 70, 69, 68, 67. Yeah, I've taken my 3 away and I've got to 67. Very good. And remember to write that there. Okay, so you have got a few questions to do there. I think I've given you something like 30. Oh my goodness. Some of them you might just be able to do straight away if it doesn't need to exchange. But if you need to exchange, I would like to see some number lines, please. It's really, really important that you practice number lines because it helps you with your partitioning and it helps you be more accurate. Okay, good luck. I think you'll be fine. Ruler though, ruler. You know what I'm like about straight lines. See you later.